Hello friends, welcome to my channel Digital Web. In this today's tutorial of artificial intelligence, we will learn some application areas of artificial intelligence, and we will discuss those application areas, that how artificial intelligence will benefited those particular application areas. So artificial intelligence has various applications in today's society. It is becoming essential for today's time because it can solve complex problems with an efficient way in multiple industries such as healthcare, entertainment, finance, education, etc. AI is making our daily life more comfortable and fast. So we will discuss some of application in which AI will contribute. So here I have these bullet points about these application areas. So first one is gaming, natural language processing, expert system, vision systems, speech recognition, handwriting recognition, intelligent robots, astronomy, healthcare, finance, data security, social media, travel and transport, automotive industries, entertainment, agriculture and e-commerce, and last one is education. So this is how we will discuss step by step every application area in which artificial intelligence is associated. So we will start with gaming application. So AI plays crucial role in games such as chess, poker, tic-tac-toe, etc., where machine can think of large number of possible positions based on heuristic knowledge. So what is the meaning of heuristic knowledge? So heuristic knowledge is representing knowledge of some experts in a field or subject. Heuristic knowledge is rules of thumb based on previous experiences, awareness of approaches, and which are good to work but not guaranteed. This is how AI will contribute to the gaming application areas. Second point is the natural language processing. So it is possible to interact with the computer that understand natural language spoken by human. So this is like if we are living in different country and if we want to communicate to other country person or other person who is living in different country, and there is a language issue will be there, so we can communicate that person with the help of this artificial intelligence. So it can also work like as a converter. So next application area is expert system. So there are some application which integrate machine, software and special information to impart reasoning and advising. They provide explanation and advice to the users. We already discussed this expert system in our previous tutorial, so you can also see what is the meaning of expert system in our previous tutorials. Next one is vision system. So these system understand, interpret and comprehend visual input on the computer. Like if we want to give any example of the vision system, so like a spying aeroplane takes photograph which are used to figure out special information or map of the areas. Second example is like doctors use clinical expert system to diagnose the patient, and we can also say that police are using computer software that can recognize the face of criminal with the stored portrait made by forensic artist. So this is how AI will contribute to the vision system application area also. Next is speech recognition. Some intelligent systems are capable of hearing, comprehending the language in terms of sentences and their meanings while a human talks to it. It can handle different accents, slang words, noise in the background, change in human noise due to cold, etc. Next application area is handwriting recognition. So the handwriting recognition software reads the text written on paper by a pen or on a screen by a stylus. So it can recognize the shapes of the letters and convert it into editable text. Next application area is intelligent robots. So robots are able to perform the task given by a human. They have sensors to detect physical data from the real world such as light, heat, temperature, movement, sound, bump and pressure. They have efficient processors, multiple sensors and huge memory to exhibit intelligence. In addition, they are capable of learning from their mistakes and they can adapt to the new environment. Artificial intelligence has a remarkable role in robotics also. Usually, general robots are programmed such that they can perform some repetitive tasks. But with the help of AI, we can create intelligent robots which can perform tasks with their own experiences without pre-program. Humanoid robots are the best example for AI in robotics. So, the example of humanoid robot named as Erica and Sophia has been developed which can talk and behave like humans basically. So this is how the AI will contribute to the robotics application area. Now next application area is astronomy. So AI can be very useful to solve complex universe problems. AI technology can be helpful for understanding the universe such as how its work, origin, etc. Next application area is healthcare. So we can see in the last previous years AI becoming more advantageous for the healthcare industry and going to have a significant impact on this industry. Healthcare industries are applying AI to make a better and faster diagnosis than human. AI can help doctors with diagnosis and can inform when patients are worsening so that medical help can reach the patient before hospitalization. Next application area is finance. AI and finance industries are the best matches for each other. The finance industry is implementing automation, chatbot, adaptive intelligence, algorithm trading and machine learning into financial processes. Next application area is data security. So this is a very hot topic in the current scenario. So the security of data is crucial for every company and cyber attacks are growing very rapidly in the digital world. AI can be used to make our data more safe and secure. So some examples such as AEG board, A12 platform. So these are used to determine software bugs and cyber attacks in a better way. Next application area is social media. So friends, we all are using these social media platforms. So social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter and Snapchat contain billions of user profiles which need to be stored and managed in a very efficient way. AI can organize and manage massive amounts of data. AI can analyze lots of data to identify the latest trends, hashtags and requirement of different users. So this is how it can also make lucrative for the social media. Now next application area is travel and transport. So AI is becoming highly demanding for travel industries. It is capable of doing various travel related work such as from making travel arrangement to suggesting the hotels, flights and best route to the customers. Travel industries are using AI powered chatbots which can make human like interaction with customers for better and fast response. Next application area is automotive industry. So some automotive industries are using AI to provide virtual assistant to their user for better performance, such as Tesla has introduced Tesla Bot, an intelligent virtual assistant that can assist any customer about their problems or issues. So various industries are currently working for developing self-driven cars which can make your journey more safe and secure. Next application is entertainment. We are currently using some AI based application in our daily life with some entertainment services such as Amazon or Netflix. So with the help of MLAI algorithms, these services shows the recommendations for programs or shows. So whatever you see in the past, they will recommend you similar programs for your entertainment. So this is how it also worked for the entertainment application areas. Next application area is agriculture. Agriculture is an area which require resources, labor, money and time for best result. Nowadays agriculture is becoming digital and AI is emerging in the field. Agriculture is applying AI as agriculture robotics, solid and crop monitoring, predictive analysis. So this is how it will be lucrative for the agriculture areas. AI in agriculture can be very helpful for farmers. Next application area is e-commerce. So AI is providing a competitive edge to the e-commerce industry and it is becoming more demanding in the e-commerce businesses. AI is helping shoppers to discover associated products with recommended size, color or even brands. So next and last application area is education. So AI can automate grading so that the tutor can have more time to teach, and AI chatbots can communicate with students as a teaching assistant. AI in the future can be work as a personal virtual tutor for the student, which will be accessible easily at any time and any place. So this is how this education area is also benefited with artificial intelligence techniques. So friends, if you have any doubt, queries about this video tutorial, then you can ask me in comment section, and if you think that you gain some knowledge from this video tutorial, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. We are also available on Facebook and I have given our Facebook page link in the description box, so you can redirect to our Facebook page by clicking on that link. So please follow our page and subscribe our channel to get more updated videos. Thank you.